Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,868.09. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged slightly lower by 0.01%, while Germany's DAX gained 1.13%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq finished higher at 25,373.85, and the S&P 500 also gained to 7,489.72. In company news, AstraZeneca shares came under pressure after reports of potential merger discussions with Bristol Myers Squibb, although no deal has been confirmed. Meanwhile, easyJet has received an extension to the takeover timetable as Apollo and Castlelake continue acquisition talks. Against sterling, the US dollar, euro and Australian dollar edged higher, while the Swiss franc and Japanese yen weakened slightly. Bitcoin fell. In commodities, copper and gold traded higher. Brent crude declined following renewed US-Iran diplomatic developments, and natural gas moved higher. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Monday.